Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, this is a place where you can learn useful phrases called 사자성어 that Korean people use a lot. Check out this introduction video to understand what it means if you haven't watched it. I also have an Instagram account, so if you are interested in learning Korean language, check out my account for more phrases. The links to the introduction video and my Instagram are both in the description below. Now let's get into today's lesson. In this video, we are going to learn 구사일생. We got 4 characters here. I'm going to explain one by one. 구 means 9. 사 means to die. 일 means 1. 생 means to live. When you string these 4 pieces together, you get this. After 9 times of experiences that were close to death, finally managing to get out of danger. The number doesn't necessarily have to be 9. 9 is just a symbol to highlight how dangerous or how severe the event was. It doesn't even need to be multiple times. Since it includes the word die, the danger we are talking about here should be serious, sometimes life-threatening, a crisis where you could have really died. The phrase is typically used in a figurative way though, because most people don't get involved very often in situations where they could have actually physically died. Obviously, you could use this phrase for something that could have literally taken your life as well. You will occasionally see this phrase come up in some sort of competition such as sport and election. For example, World Cup. Let's say your team, your country have lost 2 games in a row. So the chance of your team making it to the top 16 went down very low, maybe less than 10%. However, against all odds, they won the 3rd game and moved on to the next round, which everyone think was a miracle. In that case, you say 우리 팀이 941승으로 16강에 진출했다. That was the first example, and here's another one. 건물 지하에서 불이 났는데 다행히 불이 번지기 전에 사람들이 다 빠져나왔어. 941승이었지. I can give you more examples on your request. Chances are you need more, so let me know in the comment if you do. And if you have any questions about the phrase or Korean language in general, leave a comment as well. I'll try to answer it if that's something I can help you with. If you want to learn more phrases like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.